Are you hitting the highway for a long road trip, only to find your cruise control is completely dead or acting erratic? You could be dealing with a P0525 trouble code, which stands for Cruise Control Servo Control Circuit Range or Performance. In many older American vehicles and some modern ones with mechanical throttle bodies, the cruise control system uses a physical servo to control your vehicle's speed. This servo is essentially a small motor or vacuum actuator that physically pulls on a cable attached to your throttle body to accelerate or decelerate the car based on the speed you set on the steering wheel. The engine control module acts as the brain, constantly sending electrical signals to this servo to maintain a steady speed. When the computer detects that the electrical circuit controlling this servo is out of its normal operating range, or if it senses that the servo is not performing as commanded, it throws this specific code. Because this servo literally controls your engine's throttle, it is a crucial safety and performance component. The symptoms of a failing cruise control servo circuit are usually very obvious. Your cruise control might simply refuse to turn on at all. If it does turn on, the operation might be highly erratic, where the car randomly speeds up or slows down. In some cases, your vehicle's speed might get stuck or limited when the cruise control is active, or the speed you set might not match the speed the car actually maintains. The causes for this code usually trace back to the physical servo unit or its wiring. The most common cause is a completely defective or damaged cruise control servo. It is also very common for the physical cable connecting the servo to the throttle to break, get stuck, or become misadjusted. Other culprits include cracked vacuum lines if the servo is vacuum-operated, frayed or corroded wiring leading to the servo, water intrusion into the electrical connector, or, in very rare cases, a failing engine control module. To start fixing this yourself, the first step is a thorough visual inspection under the hood. Locate the cruise control servo, which is usually mounted near the throttle body. Inspect the physical cable connecting the two. Make sure it is not frayed, kinked, or broken. Try to move it by hand to ensure it is not stuck. If your servo uses vacuum lines, inspect every rubber hose carefully for dry rot or cracks, and replace them if they look deteriorated. Next, check the electrical connector on the servo for green corrosion or broken tabs, and trace the wiring harness looking for any spots where it might have rubbed bare against the engine. Because a malfunctioning throttle control component can be dangerous if it gets stuck wide open, you should not ignore this code. If the physical cable and vacuum lines look perfect, and you are not comfortable testing electrical circuits with a digital multimeter, it is definitely time to take your vehicle to a professional mechanic. They have the advanced scan tools needed to monitor the live electrical data from the servo and can safely determine if you need a new servo assembly or a deep wiring repair. Fix it right so you can relax on your next long drive.